يعني اصوات بالهبل. انت
Incoming
عشان
move.
Hi guys, welcome to FXMS. We can see that the DAX is falling right now. Please just you guys confirm if the sound is good. It looks like good to me right here, but just to see your hand right there. So you can see the JPY pairs are going to come down now, and exactly as expected in the weekly forecast, we expected this run quick to the upside, followed by correction to this almost same level, a little bit less, then followed by another up wave, and it's going fantastic so far. That's really nice. Okay, of course Australian probably is going to be falling as the stock, and New Zealand is falling as expected also, guys. This from the weekly forecast, we expected this down wave right here. It's going really nice. Okay, yeah, what I wanted to talk also, probably Euro Yen is going to come down a little bit. If we see here, you can see the Canadian and Australian, New Zealand, three of them are going to be really weak. Okay, also the franc start coming down a little bit, but so this offer a good sell for the all JPY pairs like Canadian, New Zealand, Australian franc, Swiss franc. Okay, as you can see, New Zealand dollar coming down, Australian dollar also a little bit. I don't think it is going to break below here. What I want to talk about is the DAX. Just let me open it, right? Okay, this USD can probably offer a buy. Okay, I'm just gonna take the New Zealand dollar. I'm gonna put the DAX right here instead. You guys, you can see the DAX is falling really strong, and it did fail to reach this level. If you guys look at the 4-hour time frame, that was really nice. Even before this big candle, the MACD was giving us a sell. Okay, and that was a very strong level right here. We know about the 13,300 and previous one right here. 13,000 is psychological number, so it will not be easy to break it from the first try. It will probably take 2 times or so. Okay, the question right here, how far can we go down? I can see 12,200 is possible, so we can keep coming down as a correction wave. This is probably the maximum. I don't think it's gonna go below 12,200. Okay, I think this is the maximum to go down. So I'm gonna type it here. So that may fall to 12,200, and I doubt to fall more than that. I don't think we're gonna go below 12,000. Okay, I think it's hard to fall below 12,000. So that's something. See this sell-off in the market right now. When they see such a big candles like this, everybody who has a long position is gonna be scared and it's gonna close their positions, also as a profit taken. Okay, guys. So if we so the DAX is crashed a sell-off start after a big up wave. So after this big up wave from here to here, you get a sell-off as a profit taken. Okay, guys. You can see it's crashing. Don't buy this at all. Okay, this is only a sell from here from a higher price. Hi guys, and welcome to FXMS. So please let me know if the sound is good. Okay guys, we can see the DAX is coming down right here strongly, and this is a correction wave after such a big long up wave. Okay, so this is only a sell. How can we benefit from this? We can benefit if we go to look at the VSA market scanner. You're going to see the Canadian is going to come down with the oil also coming down, and Australia and New Zealand. When you see those three coming down like this and see JPY is going up, means stock market's crashing. You can short the DAX, US 30, SPX, probably avoid the NASDAQ. Also possibly Bitcoin will be coming down. Okay guys. You want to sell Australian, Japanese yen, New Zealand, Japanese yen. So if you come here, that's how can you benefit from strong waves in the market. See Canadian, Japanese yen, it's probably going to come down really nice now. If you go just a smaller time frame. Look at this nice wave here. This is probably going to continue for a little bit. Okay guys. That's really nice sell signal from the ABC Advanced Profit Cloud trading system. It's really nice. You should have entered from here with this nice signal. However, it's still, in my opinion, you can take this one down. Also, the MACD is giving you divergence, guys. If you look at this price right here, and you know the MACD divergence in the 1 hour, 4 hour time frame are strong. okay, where the price was going up right here. And it was going up right here, which is good. Where the price was going up right here, it was losing momentum and it was actually going down, and that was a crash right there. Okay, so Canadian Japanese yen, in my opinion, offers a good sell temporary, you know, short term. So that's KJPY offers a short term sell. Okay guys, that's only short term in my opinion, is not nothing. We discussed the pound Australian, pound New Zealand previously, guys, and if you guys remember from here, we said this is a good buy. You can see it's, you guys still remember this page from 2 days ago, I believe. Okay, we had the live stream about this one. We said this is a wave one, and this was 750 pips, and we've had a correction, very clear correction sideways right here. Okay. And you can see how this was a support and this was a resistance. That was the first to break, was confirmed with the second one, was confirmed with the third one. So that was really nice buy. Since we made this video, this is in about 213 pips. So, and here we said that was written from before, sideways correction indicating strong up momentum. Why? Because in the uptrend, you have three cases. The first one, you have a correction, a trend like this. Then you have a correction to the downside, then you have uptrend again. The second scenario, you have one up, okay, then you have sideways movement, and then you're going up again. This is a stronger uptrend than this one, and the reason is here there's more buyers are closing their positions, so the price is coming down. They have fear the price will bounce back down strongly, but those ones, they don't have that much fear. So they're kind of certain the price is going to continue going up. That's why a lot of them, they don't close their long positions. It's just taking some time to get more buyers into the game. So this shape is stronger than this one. Then you would expect, see here, to come down, trend. We target 350 pips move. So we still have another 150 pips move, and possibly you can get out of this trade. Trend up, wave 3, fast and quick. Okay, so if this one, if you expect this correction to be two sideways, then the third one right here, then you would take 350 pips, which is about 50% only of that up move. And it can go further up, yeah, it can go further up, but just to take 350 pips out of this move, that's not bad. This information was previous one, was not here, okay? That was from the last week, okay? So this does not apply today, but this one was for longer term, long analysis. I hope you guys did benefit from this one. If you guys want, this is the APCO trading system. If you guys want to download our trading system, you guys are most welcome. Available on our website, fxmarketstrategy.com. There's 58% discount in the annual package. Okay. Gold is still in ranging. If you guys also go back to the weekly forecast, we expected one down wave. Okay. Oil is coming down as we expected also as the stock market. Okay guys, how can you trade this one? You have two scenarios. If you join this sell, that's one scenario. I would not recommend this. However, it may continue coming down. The pound also is getting stronger right now, guys. So pound Australian, pound Canadian, pound New Zealand, both of them probably, three of them good buys. You can see the trading system, it does reach the up because this is ranging. Advanced gravity band system, this is ranging. So when it comes down to here, you want to buy. When it goes up here, you want to sell. With a price action, you can see this big wick to the upside is indicating coming back. And you kind of take the profit from the top to the bottom here, or 50% of this range. You know, the scenario you can have right here is you can wait because this is going to bounce back up. Okay, you can wait to come down all the way here, then you catch it with a nice buy. Okay, guys. So you want to catch a buy here at 40 price. So oil. So for the oil, wait to buy around the 40 price. Okay, so 4170, this can come about 170 to 100 pips down, then a reverse up. If you did sell, it's okay also, probably is gonna still go 150 down. Euro Japanese yen probably is gonna come down from here. The market is in a fear, so the dollar is gonna get a little bit strong, then this is gonna send the euro down. And the best thing to sell the euro against is gonna be the pound and Japanese yen now. Okay, euro pound and euro Japanese yen are probably a good sell. Okay guys, I'm gonna put here also euro good possibly is a good sell now. Okay guys, so euro Japanese yen and euro pound are good sells. Euro dollar also is probably a good sell, and now probably should come down to 100 pips or so. Okay, so euro dollar can go to 1.17. Okay, this is only a selling area, guys. Also, if you show the MACD, this momentum is dying. Trend is dying. Trend is losing momentum right here. So the trend is losing momentum to the upside. This is gonna come down. USD CAD may offer a really good buy now, guys. So Euro CAD, USD CAD, sorry, I mean. So USD CAD is a good buy. In my opinion, we can come all the way down about 200 pips here. This is the target. Okay, guys. Possibly we can get this up wave. After this up wave, we can short it again to the downside again. Okay. So this will be a buy here, okay, and later on this will be a sell because the oil is gonna come back reverse, okay, and this is perfect. It's probably gonna, okay, this is up, this is down. Pound is strong and dollar is strong, so avoid the pound dollar for now. If you go back here, this is the pound index. You can see this was forecasted to come down, ranging from this area, and exactly what's happening. It's ranging. There's a big chance after this range we're gonna break to the upside, not to the downside. So we have to kind of watch this range, you know, the upper and lower band, how far it's gonna go. Once you get a confirmed up wave, then we're gonna go with it. If you want to trade the range, then you have to be careful, okay? One of the good probably is a euro pound. I don't know if you do have it here. So we said pound Australian, pound New Zealand, pound Canadian. We discussed this one previously. The Australian Japanese yen is probably really good now. We had almost every single wave of these ones with you guys in the weekly forecast and the live. We had this one previously. We said coming back down. We said the last 2 weeks Australian Japanese yen is gonna rally to the upside, and now we're saying this is gonna come down. The question is how far this can come down. So let's make it easier right here. I'm gonna remove this for you guys. Let's clear this. Okay, and how far can this come down? This can come down all the way down here. Actually, I can see this is happening fast. So this area right here. So 74 is target. So sell AUD. 74 is target. Okay guys, I hope this is clear. So we can see this coming all the way down here, guys, as a nice correction. Okay, that's a good thing. Today is Friday, is profit taking, kind of, you know, mid-August. So probably a lot of companies, they want to close their positions. Don't be happy with shorting the Australian or New Zealand or Canadian. Probably from here, having a target all the way up here. If you want to take a quick target for Australian JPY, you should aim for 72 pips. Okay, but that's your choice. Sorry. Hi Mukesh, how are you? I'm good, thanks. Hello, Mr. Amr. How are you, man? Hi, Slash Cool. Yeah, Slash Cool is giving you an idea, guys, about the bond dollar may go up a little bit. Yes, it's possible. Gold is possibly going to continue going up, but after a little bit, wait to have a better price, Mukesh, in my opinion. But as long terms up. Pound Japanese yen, we're going to avoid now, Mr. Amp, because the pound and Japanese yen, both of them are strong. So if we do go here to our system, you can see the pound and Japanese yen, both of them are very strong. So it will not be very wise to trade those beside each other. However, if someone wants to be in the trade, it's a sell. Pound Japanese yen, it's a sell, it's not a buy, but that's not the best trade. The best trade is Canadian or Euro or Australian, New Zealand sell. Those four are going to be really good. If you guys look here, you can see the Euro dollar is a sell, the pound dollar is a waste of time and money, Australian USD is possibly a sell. All the JPY pairs are going to be a nice sell. You can see JPY is crashing. You can see USD JPY is -3, so it's a sell. But I would not prefer the USD JPY. I would prefer Australian, New Zealand, Canadian, and the Euro. Okay. Euro pound, we discussed this one, as the pound is really strong and Euro is coming down. The Euro is coming down because the dollar is going up. So Euro pound is really good sell. Euro Japanese yen is fantastic sell. -6.9 is amazing sell. Okay, guys. Pound Japanese yen, you can see it's a sell, but it's only -2.4. It's a sell, but it's not the best sell. Australian Japanese yen is nice sell. CHF Japanese yen is also nice sell. New Zealand Japanese yen is a sell. Canadian Japanese yen is also a sell. And Euro New Zealand, Euro Australian, Euro Canadian probably are going to be ranging for the meantime. Why they're going to be ranging? That's a really good question. Because the dollar is going up, so the euro is coming down, but at the same time the Canadian is coming down with the oil, with the stock market coming down. So euro is weak and Canadian is weak. And to confirm this, if we do look down here, you can see the euro is coming down, but probably also the Canadian index is coming down at the same time. Okay, that's why the Canadian index is not here. Let's say Australian. See, Australian is coming down, but euro is coming down. But euro is crashing again, guys. Okay, as the dollar is going up, euro is crashing. So euro is really, and we discussed the MACD divergence before. If you guys did follow up with this one, I can repeat it for those who did not attend the previous live stream. We set this price right here. I'm just gonna delete it. Sorry, guys. I don't like to confuse people. Just focus with me on those three levels, okay, and that one also, because we have a new high here. Look, the price is up here and the price is down here. Okay, watch this one and that one. Then the price is up here, is going higher, but in the MACD the price is going lower. So as the price increase in the chart, in reality it's losing momentum. So it's kind of, the speed is going up a mountain, but with acceleration. You're not gaining more momentum, more acceleration to the upside. Your acceleration is decreasing, so you're going to the negative. So the speed is still going higher, okay, or you're going forward, but with the acceleration, okay. Or let's say the speed is going lower actually also. So If you look at that one, anyone can say, you know what, still going up, I'm gonna go buy here. Look at the MACD, it's crashing down, it's telling you I'm losing momentum, there's no buyers. Sellers in control, sellers controlling now, they're having it. Then we get nice wave, then they're trying one more time. See how much they fail down here, big time, big fail. And that will indicate you, in order to be actually having a strong momentum to the upside, they must declare all this level with a very bullish and strong candles. I don't think this is gonna happen. Why? Because anyone to go buy the euro at that price, the dollar index have to be crashing to 80, and I don't think this is gonna happen. That's why the euro is gonna crash so bad. The euro, all this profit in the euro for the previous 3 weeks is just gonna be coming down very fast, okay? Why? Because whoever is holding a long position in the euro is gonna try to take the money and get out of it and maybe actually flip it to a short position. So watch out, guys, this euro is gonna crash so bad in my opinion. I could be wrong. This is what I can see in the chart, in the MACD divergence, with overall analysis, with the dollar index coming up, with the stock market crashing, given the Swiss franc and the dollar index kind of 30 and the safe haven going up. So euro, dollar, euro, Japanese yen, euro pound are fantastic sells in my opinion. Euro CAD, euro New Zealand, euro Canadian are avoid their waste of time and money for now. And those three are good to trade. Euro Australian, euro Japanese yen. So for the euro JPY, euro Great British Pound, and euro USD, those are the good sells. Okay, guys, and euro AED, euro CAD, euro New Zealand are waste. Avoid them. Okay, they're waste. Don't trade them. Waste of time, waste of opportunity. For the pound Australian, so we discussed this 2 days ago. So pound AUD and pound New Zealand, also pound Canadian, but I would skip this one. Good buys. Okay. And oil is a sell, and DAX, SPX, all the indexes are gonna come together, are in correction wave. This correction waves will be followed by up wave, strong up wave. Okay, guys, pay attention to this one. So the oil and the DAX SPX are in a correction wave. You can sell them, but you must know they are going to be followed by a very strong up wave. Okay, guys, pay attention to this one. They are going to reverse, but not now. May give it a little bit more. You can see the pound franc is strong also right here. USD CAD is a good sell, a good buy, and USD CHF are a good buy also, guys. Okay, something to keep the eye on. The dollar index going strong, and because the stock market is coming down, the gold should be going up, and because the dollar index is going up, the gold should be coming down. So I do expect the gold to be ranging right now. Wait, guys, tomorrow or after tomorrow, or maybe at the end of the day today, if we can see the dollar index is coming back down, the stock market is going up, probably the gold is gonna start going up again. Okay, long-term gold is up, but for now, probably I do expect to range a little bit. So I do expect a choppy market in the gold for now, as the dollar index is kind of going up. Then later on, if we get at 1900, a second wave, go take it up. I think this is what we can get. The second scenario is we're going in an uptrend like this. I don't think this is the case, up channel. Then we're gonna break to the upside. I don't think this is gonna happen. I think it's just gonna make like a multiple W's right here. Okay. So what we can say is just multiple of these ones, like this. Okay, something like this. Then later on we go to the upside strongly, and that's gonna be a really good wave. Mr. Saker, glad to hear that. Nice, Mukesh. You got $120 in the euro dollar sell, $90 in the euro pound sell. That's really nice. Mukesh is ahead of the game. He made his profit and he got out. That's nice. Okay, guys. So you can see what the market's offering is a good opportunity, is a good trade. It's giving you free money. That's one of the good opportunities to be getting from this market. You don't get this every day. The sell-off are one of the best market to trade. For the Bitcoin, just gonna put euro pound instead, because I think this is a very good sell, guys. You can see the system is giving a really nice sell signal. I think this is gonna come all the way down. How far this can come down? We still probably have a little bit more. The euro is gonna crash, guys, so this is probably one of the really good sells to be having. So in my opinion, euro pound is fantastic sell. Okay, guys, so euro pound, in my opinion, that's really nice. Okay, and if you take this as waves, that's probably one wave, and that's a correction right here. In my opinion, that all was a correction, and just we're gonna get it from the top of the correction to all the way down to 88 again. Okay, so that's one wave, and that's correction, down wave again. Okay, that's what I can see in the euro pound. So euro pound, I expect to crash strongly. So euro pound is expected to be crushed badly. Okay. So the euro pound, let's say, expected from the current price, we can see 150 pips fall. Hey guys, 100 pips fall from the current price. Euro dollar, we also say the sell. Watch out, this trend line is going to be broken in my opinion, and we're going to go down strongly below this one. The trend is losing momentum big time, guys. This is in the MACD. If we do put the MACD, I just don't want to take this off because we have been following this wave by wave, but we can put in another chart. We discussed also Canadian, Japanese yen, so there is no need to keep it. If we go euro dollar and we put the MACD, you can see in the 4-hour time frame, look at this divergence in the MACD. Look at the price right here. Let's make this a little bit pinkish or so you guys can see it easily. Okay, and look at this price, and you look at this high. Of course, this is going to be completely like the euro index, because euro dollar is the opposite of the dollar index, so those are going to be almost typical. Look at this price, and actually, if you can look at that one also, because this was a previous high. Okay, look at this right here. What's happening in the MACD? It's crashed. Just telling you I'm coming down. Look, this one and that one, this price right here. No more buyers coming in. Sellers are taking, buyers are closing their position. There is no more sellers yet. When the sellers are gonna come in, they're gonna come in once this is taken, once 1.1710 is taken, because it's gonna be a clear downtrend. Right here, they want to join this one, but a really sniper trader, he will be in from here. Why? Because every high he wants to sell, because he knows the MACD is coming down strongly. Look at the MACD, it's telling you I'm crashing down, I'm losing momentum. So once 1.712 taken out, your door will be crushed. Okay guys, watch out for this. But really good trader can get in before that. In my opinion, this is going to be a really good sell in the 1.1790, and you will be in 100 bips before the other traders. So I'm going to put here sell. And that's actually, we have started this about half an hour ago, so even the price was higher, but that's okay. So we're gonna say to sell that one, and that we expect coming down all the way here. And the target for the euro dollar, you should take 150 pips. So target 140 pips from entry. Okay. So the target 150 pips from entry from that price. So that should be the target, around 1.650 or so. And Nifty is going to be going down with the stock market, even without looking at the Nifty, but I think it's going to come down with the stock market. So the Nifty now trading at 11,164. This can come down So guys, if we do look at the Nifty right here, I think you guys can see it in the So this is a 4-hour time frame. The question is, how far can this come down? We may get a correction down all the way to touch this lower band of the channel. And the reason for this is of course not 100% sure. This is possible. The reason for this is channel right here. Okay, and that's again. Here guys. So we can get this one to have this correction all the way down here, and from here this is going to be a good buy again. You see what I mean? This is an upward channel, so every time you're down here you want to buy, and every time you're up here you want to take profit at the green ones, kind of here. Like this, and you can see also there was a double top right here. Okay guys, so this is possible down wave here all the way to 10,500. Let's put 600. And you cannot buy without a price action, okay? You have to wait for a price action to buy, because what happens if this will continue down for further price? You don't want this to happen in your account. So this is a possible case to happen, guys. I'm trying to get you to see all the channel so it will be clear right in front of you here, just like this. Okay, I hope this will answer your question. You can see from here we had a previous forecast. You can see in the trading view, from this price we said you can buy all the way up to here. So really you said from the 8,000 buy it to 1130. If you take price, that's more than enough. Okay, that was really good. This is just a correction wave and a big strong uptrend. This is going to continue up. Just this profit taken, normal profit taken in Friday. Okay guys, don't say this is not showing. No worries, Mukesh, you can look at the Nifty, that's fine. We got it from the trading view. We had a previous analysis before. Okay, so guys, we're gonna go back in our MT4 right here, just gonna change it. Okay, so we're back to the MT4. Okay guys, if you are new here, I want to let you guys we provide trading systems, and if you guys want to join our service, you guys are most welcome to join at fxmarketstrategy.com. We have the annual package which costs below $250, and it does have a 58% discount available right now. So this is values like more than $600. It's offered for only like $249. So this is a really nice discount. How does it work? It's like Netflix. Once you subscribe to our website, you will be able to download all the trading systems. So you will get the ABC trading system, which is this one. You will get the APCO trading system. Your Australian is coming. See, the weakness, the strong weakness in the euro is just even pushing it stronger than the Australian. Your Australian, your New Zealand, I think tonight are going to be a good sell, because I don't think the stock market is going to crash so bad. So your Australia, your New Zealand for kind of long term are going to be a good sell. Okay. So how does it work? You'll be able to get multiple trading systems. So let's say if you get the APCO, you can get the APCO trading system with a black background like this, if you guys like the black background. If you like it just this plain like this, it's also okay. It's they're nice trading system. They do work in multiple time frames, and they do have the stop entry, the stop loss. You get target color coded. It's very helpful and supportive to get good trades in them. Something just like the Euro New Zealand right here. So if you do have the trading system, you will know this was a buy. then you will be able to run all this buy. You can see all these correction waves never give you a sell signal. Right here, right here, right here, right here. This one give you a sell signal, but you get out of it like this, you know. Also, we give a little bit of forecast to give you a big picture of the fundamental behind the moves and stuff. So as kind of support to our sales and our service to our clients. Okay. So this is APCO trading system is really good in the oil and the stock market also. This has more tolerance to the range of market. The ABC system is more strict a little bit to give you exact entry, exact exit. So also we have the BSA market scanner. This one, which will give you all the indexes here, 7 indexes, which one is strong, which one is weak, so you know how to trade in which direction. And here is going to give you the signals, which signal, which to buy, which to sell, which is very, very supportive to you in your trading. So you'll be in the right direction of the trade and with strong momentum, so you don't waste your money and something is not moving. You can see the euro dollar was minus 2.1, now is minus 3.3, so you catch a really good sell. And we also put here that euro pound, euro Japanese yen, euro USD good sells, euro dollar. Those ones are going to be for an hour. Waste later on, they're going to be when the stock market is going to reverse. This is going to be a good. But anyway, the euro index is going to be crashed so bad. So also pound, Australian pound, New Zealand are good buys like that. Okay guys, that was the end of the forecast. Now we're just about 50 minutes. I hope this was a benefit for you guys and you didn't get bored from the analysis. I hope you guys will be in profit and trade safe. You guys have a wonderful day, and if you guys are interested in downloading our trading system, you guys are most welcome to join fxmarketstrategy.com. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for likes and subscribe to the channel if you're new with us. And any comments, please leave it in the comment section. We'll try to answer. Thank you and have a wonderful day.